In a world increasingly defined by digital performance, the tools we choose are no longer mere accessories to our routines. They are extensions of our capabilities. Whether in gaming, content creation, or professional execution, the demand for high-efficiency systems has grown exponentially. Within this context, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 2025 emerges not simply as a high-end laptop, but as a strategic instrument designed to meet the evolving demands of modern digital environments. At first glance, it may be tempting to evaluate such a device through raw specifications alone. However, true performance is not defined solely by numbers, but by how consistently and intelligently a system responds to real-world demands. Powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, featuring a hybrid architecture with 24 cores, this machine demonstrates not just speed, but adaptability. It dynamically allocates processing power based on workload intensity, ensuring that whether the user is multitasking across heavy applications or focusing on a single intensive task, performance remains fluid and uninterrupted. This capability becomes especially relevant when considering contemporary usage patterns. A modern user rarely engages in isolated activities. Instead, gaming, streaming, editing, and communication often occur simultaneously. In such scenarios, lesser systems tend to fragment under pressure, leading to lag, overheating, or instability. In contrast, the Legion Pro 7i sustains operational coherence, allowing complex workflows to unfold seamlessly. This stability is not merely a technical advantage, it is a direct contributor to productivity and user confidence. Equally significant is the graphical power embedded within the system. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 with 24 GB of dedicated VRAM represents a new tier of mobile GPU capability. Beyond enabling ultra settings in demanding games, it supports advanced rendering, real-time ray tracing, and AI-assisted workflows. For content creators, this translates into faster rendering times and smoother editing processes. For gamers, it delivers immersive environments with exceptional realism and responsiveness. In both cases, the benefit extends beyond performance metrics, shaping a more engaging and efficient user experience. However, to reduce this machine to a gaming device would be to overlook its broader potential. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a dual 2 TB NVMe SSD configuration, the system is engineered for high-level multitasking and data-intensive operations. Professionals working with 3D modeling, large datasets, or virtual machines will find that the device handles complexity with remarkable ease. The speed at which tasks are executed not only saves time, but also expands what is practically achievable within a given workflow. Another defining aspect of the Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is the display. The 16-inch WQXGA OLED panel, combined with a 240 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits brightness, offers a visual experience that is both precise and immersive. Colors appear deeper and more accurate, motion becomes smoother, and visual fatigue is reduced over extended use. For designers and editors, this means greater fidelity in their work. For gamers, it provides a competitive edge through clarity and responsiveness. Ultimately, the display is not just a feature, it is an integral part of the overall performance ecosystem. In practical terms, the value of such a system becomes evident in everyday scenarios. Consider a content creator managing a full production cycle, recording high-resolution footage, editing complex timelines, rendering outputs, and publishing across platforms. Each stage demands performance, and any limitation introduces friction.
A device like the Legion Pro 7i minimizes these bottlenecks, enabling a continuous and efficient workflow. This reduction in friction is where technology transitions from being merely functional to genuinely empowering. Thermal management also plays a crucial role in sustaining high performance. Advanced cooling solutions ensure that the system operates within optimal temperature ranges, even under prolonged stress. This is essential not only for maintaining performance consistency, but also for preserving hardware longevity. In high-performance systems, heat is often the limiting factor. Effective thermal design, therefore, becomes a defining characteristic of quality. From an investment perspective, it is important to recognize that a device of this caliber is not intended for casual or minimal use. Its true value is realized when aligned with demanding tasks that benefit from its capabilities. For users engaged in professional workflows, competitive gaming, or advanced creative processes, the time saved and efficiency gained can be justified the initial cost. In this sense, the device functions less as an expense and more as a productivity asset. Moreover, the integration of AI-oriented processing reflects a broader shift in computing. Systems are no longer passive tools. They are becoming adaptive environments that optimize performance in real time. This evolution reduces the need for manual adjustments and allows users to focus more on outcomes rather than configurations. As software continues to evolve, this kind of forward-compatible architecture becomes increasingly valuable. It is also worth acknowledging that such power requires intentional use. For individuals whose needs are limited to basic computing tasks, a system of this magnitude may be excessive. However, for those operating in high-demand digital spaces, the difference between adequate and exceptional performance can be transformative. The Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 positions itself firmly in the latter category, offering not just capability, but reliability under pressure. Ultimately, the significance of this device lies in its ability to align technological potential with real-world application. It does not merely perform well in controlled benchmarks. It delivers consistent, high-level performance in dynamic, demanding environments. This distinction is crucial as it reflects a deeper understanding of what users truly require from modern computing systems. In conclusion, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 represents more than a high-performance laptop. It embodies a shift in how we interact with technology. By combining processing power, graphical excellence, visual precision, and operational stability, it creates an environment where limitations are minimized and possibilities are expanded. For those who demand more from their tools, it offers not just performance, but a redefinition of what is achievable in everyday digital experiences.